They decided they wouldn't let today's storm get in the way of their Christmas service. CBS 3's John Cardinelli shows us the unforgettable service that took place at East Ridge Community Church tonight.
In a year where things were unconventional.
This is our outdoor Christmas Eve service. We've actually planned this out probably about 2 months ago.
An outdoor church service in a winter blizzard may not seem so surprising.
We're starting to be aware of the storm starting on Sunday night.
With news of the storm, Pastor Justin Hubricks wanted to be able to offer something special to his congregants.
So we wanted to have an outside service be different. Number two, if you're uncomfortable being inside still, we wanted to have an option for outside.
In total, around 20 people showed up Wednesday night. Those who showed up said the experience was unforgettable and they would do it again.
Oh, definitely. I mean, it's fun and it's making memories with your family, with your friends, and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
An outside church service during the pandemic with a winter storm. That's what you get when you're in the Northland.
Living in Minnesota, we deal with the elements, and that's part of the fun of living here.
Definitely part of the fun. The East Ridge Community Church plans on having outdoor mass tomorrow as well at 4 and 5.